Yeah, that's the bottom line.
You think
it'll destroy
the relationship will be ending?
Yes, it'll destroy the relationship.
I don't have nobody, and you know I love you. Just assurance, hon.
You do that-
assurance.
Yeah, here's the problem.
Even though she's jealous all the time, mad, and then assurance, and
Here
then we
is the
shut up.
problem.
We shut up.
No, it's not true. You don't shut up. Hun, I lived through it. You tell.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! May paano pa talaga pakurog-kurog. Good morning, guys! Good morning, everything! Good morning, every one of you. Good evening na pala sa Pilipinas. Ay, anyari sa screen ko. Hold on, guys. So, bahala na si Batman. So, ngayon, guys, nakapag-ready na ako, guys, kasi Monday ngayon, supposedly, si Mr. is pupunta dito. Pero, dahil nga, bukas may trabaho siya, kaya nga, diba, dapat wala siyang trabaho bukas, hanggang Wednesday. Pero nga, paano-ano nga yung trabaho niya, hihintay siya kung kailan siya babalik, ganun-ganon, kailan siya magtrabaho. So, sinabihan siya, magtrabaho siya kasi opening and then they need help. So, kailangan ng tulong at saka so yun, si Tammy magtrabaho bukas hanggang the whole week to weekend. So, yan siya. So, sabi niya, hindi na lang daw siya uuwi dito kasi pagod na daw siya and then kailangan niya matulog kasi Saturday late siyang nakauwi, diba? But anyway, so yun siya. So, sabi ko, ako na lang magta-travel doon. Ako na lang pupunta doon. And then, puntahan natin. Baka may kasama. Joke lang. Joke lang. Hindi yun ganun si Tammy, guys. Ayaw ko namang ipabad image yung asawa ko na ang gagandang image, ipababad image natin. Pero yun siya, guys. Puntahan natin para makapag-spend time tayo doon. Kahit ayaw ko talaga yung time na doon kami sa bahay kasi nanigarilyo sa loob ng bahay doon. Kahit ayaw ko, pero I need to be, you know, I want to see my baby. Ganun. So yun, guys. So ngayon sana, oh look, andito na yung ano natin. Look. Dito. Oh guys, you're playing pala. Sorry. Andyan pala kayo. Nakalimutan ko. Akala ko nilagay ko lang kayo dyan. Hello guys. So, let's go. Ano ba yung kukunin ko? Meron na dito. Dinala ko na yung mga papel, cellphone ko, car key, of course. Hindi aandar ang sasakyan pag walang car keys. And yun, let's go travel. See my hubby. Yan, let's go. Nalock na yung sasakyan. Kuha pa ako ng gas. Kasi I need to get gassy. I'm going to pull that out. Oh. Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Let's go. Yun ko, hindi siya kaaya-aya. Mahangin na hindi mo magets kung ano ba talaga. Diba? So, yun. Hindi ko alam. Andito na tayo, guys. Yung sasakyan ni Tammy Moy. Let's go. So, dito tayo. Hindi man tayo pinag-upinan ng door ni Mr. Sana open. Close talaga. Morning. The smoke of the cigarette is crazy here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
How was the drive?
Oh my god, I'm here like I supposedly here 11:30 but I left like 10. What is that? Naligo daw siya, guys, kasi papunta daw ako dito. May plano ata itong ibaba. May plano ata si Mr. May plano si Mr. He showered. I like this. I miss this, hon.
Same as every other one.
I know, but this is the color.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm here and naligo daw siya kasi papunta ako dito. Sabi ko, anong gusto mong gawin natin? Joke lang.
So you're here, so what do you want for lunch?
I eat a lot of rice before I leave the house.
That's breakfast.
You know, when I eat rice, that means. I wanna get pork. You know, I'm gonna do mukbang. I want to do cooking, that electric thing. The one that you got. Anyway, guys, spend time lang tayo dito. Wala palang babae, guys. Walang babae si Mister, kundi ako lang. Ito siya ko lang. Lahat makipag-holdingan talaga, Mister. Oh my God. Yung asawa ko, guys, ang daming plano sa mundo. Gusto daw niya ng bread maker. I don't know why he wants bread maker.
Because I want, like, to make, like, a nice bread. You can't get nice bread up by us, so.
Ito siya, guys, palagi lang nasa cellphone. Palagi lang itong nasa cellphone, palagi. Tingin-tingin lang tayo side look. Nagsalita, nag-usap lang kami dito.
Flour and sugar.
That's all. What bread maker you need? Kanina pa to siya. Nagtingin-tingin sa phone. Kaloka talaga.
25 minutes. Total 2 hours and 10 minutes. Really? That's why you need a bread maker. 2 hours for making bread.
But you know you have to mix your own freaking dough.
You just put flour and sugar, apparently, and water.
Water and
Flour.
to raise the bread.
Oh, yeast.
And whatever flavor you want. Butter. You want cinnamon. You want glazing thing. And there's a lot of recipe. All you have to do is bake it, hon. You put in the oven, bread maker. So, guys, plano namin, magpunta kami sa grocery store. So, it's 107 na.
Not for nothing. That's just a pan that goes in the oven and it costs $140. Get
Han!
the hell out of here. That's crazy. Not for a pan. If a machine, okay, but a pan, no. $140 for a pan.
I'm gonna ask you how you can advise to the foreigner that have jealous Filipina wife. That what you can advise that even though she's jealous, that to make your relationship, you know, stay strong, and what you can advise to make the relationship stronger or to stop the jealous and whatever. Okay, talk.
I don't know how you, honestly, I don't know how you can make the relationship stronger. What you have to do is you have to have patience. You know, your first instinct when somebody's overly jealous is to get really angry. Because they're
angry?
Because they're accusing you all the time, and then you want to get angry because
You want to be like,
because that's your first natural instinct. You're gonna get angry with them because it's like they're constantly accusing you of things you didn't do.
okay.
So you have to like understand that that's the mentality you're dealing with, and have patience, and you know, ultimately hope that what you do shows them that they're being jealous for no good reason, and hopefully it diminishes. It never goes away.
Honey, it's look, hon.
It doesn't go away.
Yeah, it doesn't go away. But is it worse before?
It was way worse before.
Yeah. Okay. So what you can do if the guy is no patient, and then?
Well, if the guy doesn't have the patience for it, there's nothing you can do. That's the bottom line.
You think
it'll destroy
you think the relationship will be ending?
Yes, it'll destroy the relationship. Hon, jealousy will destroy. Hon, that's like every day you come home from work and somebody hits you in the face with a bat. How many days are you going to come home from work?
That's exaggerated.
No, hon, it's not exaggerated. It's the same. It's like because you're initiating this pain. It's like you're constantly.
What if that woman just didn't?
It doesn't matter whether she can control it or not.
Anyway, why is the guy cannot just like, you know, think that if like this is just craziness and maybe I just like let it go and.
That's the patience part. That's where he has to have patience. You said, what if he doesn't have patience?
Okay.
If he doesn't have patience, he's not going to do that. He's going to get mad at it. They're going to be in a fight constantly. They're really like threatening each other and the relationship. Somebody's got to have patience. Obviously, she's not rational. If she's jealous for no reason, don't get me wrong. You can be jealous for a good reason. If she's jealous for no reason, it's irrational behavior, and you have to understand that. And you have to be more rational.
And you know what, we women, we Filipina, it's easy.
You think it's all perfectly normal and perfectly acceptable.
But what we need is like a husband that would say, like, even I know a foreigner won't say that.
You crack?
I know it's crack. A foreigner won't say this thing, but they will. What we would like to hear is like, I don't have nobody, and you know I love you. Just assurance, hon.
You do
assurance.
Yeah, here's the problem.
Even though she's jealous all the time, mad, and then assurance, and then we shut up.
Problem.
We shut up.
No, no, it's not true. You don't shut up. I lived through it. You tell me you shut up. Here's the problem. You do that initially. You say, oh yeah, there's nobody else. It's just you, and even they don't believe it. And even when they say, okay, yes, I believe you, it still keeps happening. So you have to understand it's going to keep happening, and you want it to happen less and less. And it takes an extreme amount of patience to keep dealing with it over and over and over again. It does. It takes a lot of patience. So the guy has to be prepared for it. And that's what you're saying, oh, for Filipino women who like it. No, it's not just Filipino women who are jealous. Lots of women are jealous. Lots of guys are jealous.
And we are.
It can be to anybody.
There is some guys are jealous.
Shit.
Foreigner. Oh yeah, I know
They
somebody.
don't have to be foreigners. Well, they have to be foreigners. Lots of people are jealous.
Yeah, I know everyone. But I know somebody that the husband is jealous. But anyway, you know, guys.
Jealousy is generally comes from insecurity.
Or in the past, that just like me, is really, I can tell you
it can
from
go.
the past.
It can be from past experience, but
Experiences.
it's also but that's made you insecure. It's not just the past experience. It's created an insecurity in you, so you feel like, oh, I'm not good enough, and I know that he's going to find somebody who will want somebody who's better. It's an insecurity thing.
Yeah, but we like secure, like, oh, I love you, darling. Oh, flowers when you get home, even just one flower, chocolate.
And also, people who are jealous and constantly start accusing somebody of something. You also have some people who sit down, well, screw it. I'm accused of it all the time anyway, so I'm just going to do it and find somebody who's nicer to me. They can actually create what they're looking to avoid.
Like, you know, when you get home from work, a little bit of chocolate, that makes us happy.
Hon, you don't eat chocolate.
It doesn't matter.
I bring you sweet crap and you don't want it. I don't eat it. I bring you stuff.
Makes us happy.
I'll go to the store and say, oh, I was at the store. I figured, oh, I saw this salmon. Like, what are you buying that for? I am not buying it. So he like,
because I don't want you to spend a lot of money.
I try to get things that will make you happy, and you just yell at me anyway. So let's
guys, because I don't like when he spend a lot of money. All I want is to pick up some flower from the road, like from the street, from the side of the street.
Flowers from the side of the street. My luck and your luck, there'll be a bee hiding in the flower. When you smell it, it'll sting your nose.
I think not all Filipina is jealous, but believe me, I know a lot of us Filipinas are jealous. Not all, but we are crazy jealous.
There's a lot of people.
And there's a lot
of people in the world who are jealous.
Well, we do a lot of tampo.
Women.
You know, we do a lot of tampo. You know what is tampo?
A tampon? I don't know what tampon is.
Tampon. A tampo, like we tampo, or like for example, you did something and then I will go to the side of the room and don't talk to you and do like this pouch.
No. First they yell and scream at you, and then when you stop talking to them, then I'm not talking to you no more. And then you try and talk to them, they just ignore you. Until you start ignoring them, and then they get mad at you for ignoring them and not coming over and hugging them while they're ignoring you.
It's really a crazy topic, but okay. He's smoking again.
Yes, he does. They will tell you about that too while they're screaming about why you were at work. You must have been finding another girl while you were at work because you couldn't have possibly been working.
That doesn't happen.
Hon, you do that.
No, that doesn't happen.
Hon, you still do that.
No.
Hon,
don't lie to me, hon. I'm very good before. I'm very good now, honey.
Okay, let's go way back to like yesterday morning. Who are you gonna drive home? I know you're gonna be driving somebody home.
Because I don't forget. I never
way back.
Because I never forget when you lie to me. When you lie to me,
I didn't lie to you.
No, you lie. I just realized few days later that somebody texted you. Thanks for the ride. 2 women. Okay.
Yeah,
that's Rebecca.
That's right, from the film festival.
But you never told me. You never told me because you know I get mad. And then it's better to tell me. It's better to tell me than me found out later, and then that makes me crazy because now you're not telling me what's going on. Okay, guys, we're gonna end this vlog because I just visited him here, and then now it's become a fight. Well, I don't fight anymore, guys. I do love.
She also doesn't fight any less.
No, hon.
I don't fight any more. I don't fight any less.
But
I fight the same amount.
Hon, listen. I do lovey-dovey a lot, right? Than fighting, right, hon?
Yes.
I'm a really sweet wife. And you can tell that, hon, I'm very sweet. Bye, guys. Bye, guys, because this is crazy.
Bye, guys.
Forgive me now.
Oh yeah, you'll get that. You'll get that a lot. They'll accuse you of something you didn't do, and then they won't talk to you until you apologize for not doing what they accuse you of doing.
I love you.
So it needs to be,
Bye, guys.
Here's the expression. Get used to this. Apologize me.
Nagutom ako guys Nagutom ako sa kakapanood ng mukbang ni Shuyang. Shuyang ba yun? Ay, tapos labahan ni Tammy bedsheets. And then, ito, nag-dryer. Walang space dito guys, boy. Dahil nagutom ako, so napagplanuhan namin kakain doon sa mag-order, pupunta sa restaurant, yung paborito naming restaurant dito na area. So, mag-order online kami, take out. And dito na namin kainin. Nag-alala ako kay Mr. dahil nga sumakit na naman yung likod niya, guys. Diba may ano siya sa likod. So, yun, sumakit na naman. And alala ako iwan kasi siya lang dito. Ay. Sabi ko sa kanya kapag hindi niya kaya, tawagan niya ako. At saka kailangan niyang kung kailangan niyang magpunta ng hospital. Kasi so hindi ako nag-vlog kasi palagi ginaganon ko lang yung likod niya. Pero gusto talaga niyang aalis kami para kukuha ng pagkain. So that means late na ako makauwi ng bahay. So, yun yung mga alaga natin doon. Gutom yun. Nag-change yung mind ko, guys, kasi yung alaga namin.
Yeah, you know, until at least 6:30.
Yeah, I know. They're gonna be starving. Your son, you won't be
6:30
happy.
is not horrible for them, honey.
Yes, honey. And plus the dog.
They'll live.
Look at the baby. Changed my mind. He said he has food. Do you have food?
I got plenty of food.
You sure?
Yep. Do I look like I'm starving?
Yes, son.
I don't think so.
I love you.
I'm gonna eat too.
Take care of yourself, huh?
Drive careful. You're gonna be in rush hour traffic now.
Yeah, hon. Take care of yourself, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you sure, honey, that you have food? You're okay? You
You
eat?
just looked at it.
I know, but is that edible?
The crap.
I'm not gonna stay long, guys, because I mean I stay here. What time I get here?
Eat the freaking pizza. Not for nothing, but
Oh God, that's for you.
that's a week from now.
I have a
It won't
fish.
be good still a week from now. Just
I have a fish.
I know, we'll eat it for lunch, whatever.
I love you. Take care of the taxa when you have time, okay? I live na. I love you, love. And what I'm going to bring is smasher, egg smasher. Love you, love. I'll talk to you. Please take care, huh? Slowly with your back.
Yeah.
Be careful on the stairs, okay? Honey? You know there is a thing in the stairs halfway over there. Be careful.
You know why? Because of the flood. I had to move it, so everything's getting destroyed.
I'm gonna put it down because if you might accident.
Believe me, I put it there. I know what's there.
Bye, love. Bye. If it is a
Sorry to
lady.
make all this drive for nothing.
I wanna see my baby.
Seems like
I wanna see my baby. I'm worried about your back.
my back is my back, huh? It is what it is. What are you gonna do? Maybe you'll feel better tomorrow, but probably not.
Hey, no carrying tomorrow, huh?
I gotta do what I gotta do. It's work.
Okay na, bye-bye na. I'm probably bring water. Okay, guys. Alis na tayo. Iwan na natin si Mr. Traffic dito eh. Tubig. Camera. Uy. I need to give... Mayroon pala akong sulat dito. Kailangan ibigay sa kanya. guys, almost 5. Mga 4 o'clock kasi yung traffic mag-start talaga. Kaya yaon, tignan nyo tong isa Kaluka talaga eh. So, hala ay ginoo ko. Anong gagawin niya? Para man siyang lasing ito. Parang lasing man ito eh. I'm home. Kain lang tayo and then i-end ko na tong vlog dito guys. Thank you so much guys. Salamat guys sa panonood guys ha. Thank you. And kita-kits tayo bukas and hopefully yun. So kita-kits tayo bukas. Kain lang tayo. Itong kanin na to, kanina tong umaga niluto ko. And hindi ko nilagay sa kasi gustong-gusto ko yung bahaw na niluto ko ngayong araw and then ipabahaw hanggang hapon. Gustong-gusto ko yung ganun. Kasi feel ko yung bahaw. Kasi kapag nasa na kasi iba. Yung sa refrigerator, iba na. Anyway, salamat guys sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Thank you. Salamat. Maaga natin i-end kasi nga, di ba? End natin ng maaga. Bye. Bye guys.